Hi everyone, welcome to English with Sepit. Today we are going to learn some expressions about shopping. So let's go. Shopping. Going shopping and buying something is something interesting. Most of the people like it. When you go shopping, you can also relax, but sometimes the price is very high and you cannot relax. But we are gonna look at the bright side of the issue. Let's think positively. So, the first sentence that we always use when we need something. For instance, I don't have a new watch. So I don't have a new watch. I would say, I need a watch. I need a watch. It means I don't have it and I think that I should have it. This is necessary. So, I need a watch. So, if we need a watch, we should go shopping. I go shopping because I need a watch. So, let's go. We go to a shop. So, we enter a shop and we are looking for some watches. So, I look for my favorite watch. I like the smart watches. Smart watches, you know that. So, or you may need glasses. So, like sunglasses. We should say when we enter the shop, we are talking to the salesperson, the person who sells something to us. So, as I meet the salesperson, I say, hello, and I will ask my question. Do you have smart watches? Do you have smart watches? Or even you can say the brand of the watch. Okay. Do you have Apple smartwatches? And that person answers, says that yes or no. We are in stock. We have them. We are in stock. Or maybe they finished those watches that you are asking. They would say, we are out of stock. So, do you have smartwatches or do you have sunglasses or glasses? They will answer, after that, when you see some models, then you decide to buy one of them. When you decide to buy one item, you would ask a question about the price, money. Okay, let's go. How much is this one? So you ask the salesperson, how much is this one? And the salesperson is going to offer a price. Again, this is for something which is one, okay? There's one item. For instance, you see a watch, you would say, how much is this one? Or this watch, okay? Just one item. But if you see something which is plural, okay, like glasses. Glasses are plural nouns. We have es, added to that. So we should say, how much are these ones? About the glasses. How much are these ones? So, for singular nouns, you would say, how much is this one? For plural nouns, how much are these ones? For example, for jeans, which one? Think a little bit. For jeans, we say, how much are these ones? Because jeans, this is plural, it has an S. So, let's go to the last but not least item here. How much do I owe you? Again, you can just say, this is much more formal. How much do I owe you? It means, how much money shall I pay? So, how much money shall I pay for these items, or for those items, or for one item actually? Now, next is about the discount. Maybe you didn't like the price. They offer you the price and you say, oh my God, it's too much. It's a rip-off. It's a rip-off. It means it's very expensive. Actually, you shouldn't say that to the salesperson, okay? You say that, this is your inner thoughts, okay? So you say, okay, it's a rip-off. Now, it means it's too expensive. To the salesperson, you would say that, okay, I want a lower price. So you should say, is there any discount? Is there any discount? It means, can you offer lower price? So, or you can say, is it your best price? It means this is what you have chosen and that's it. Or can I ask for a lower price? So, is it your best price? Like this. So you will ask and that person is gonna answer. That person can say, the salesperson can say, whether there is a discount or they are the last price. This is the last price and it has already been lowered. So, that was the point about shopping. I hope that you enjoyed this video.